Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Food prices went up by an average 7.7% for the period February 2023 to February 2024. Looking at the price movements for the month of February alone, the Statistical Institute of Jamaica Statin says the cost of food and non-alcoholic beverages, however, declined by about 1.1%. The index for the group food fell by 1.2%, while non-alcoholic beverages increased by 0.6%. The reduction in the average cost of food was primarily due to a 6.6% average fall in prices for vegetables, plantains, cooking bananas, and pulses. Ready-made foods and other food products fell by 2.7%. This was linked to lower prices for agricultural produce such as cabbage, carrot, escallion, tomato, sweet potato, and yam. In the meantime, fruits and nuts rose by 3.3%. Former PSOJ President Howard Mitchell has been appointed chairman for the board of Sagicor Real Estate X Fund Limited. This took effect on the 1st of March. John Bailey was also appointed a director. Sagicor says this move reflects the company's renewed focus on strong leadership to drive growth and innovation in the real estate sector throughout Jamaica and the wider Caribbean. Mr. Bailey is a seasoned entrepreneur and business leader with over 37 years of experience. Trading ended today with banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average $154.83. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $114.09. The pound is going for $195.54, while the euro is selling for an average $167.19. And to the stock market now, the JSE index gained 1,460 points today, while the junior market declined by 10 points. Among the 47 winners, T-Tech, Cygnus Real Estate Finance US dollar shares, JMMB Group 7.15% CR preference shares, Kingston Wharves, and JMMB Group 7.25% Jamaican dollar CR preference shares. The 45 losers were led by Margaritaville Turks, Paramount Trading, G West Corporation, The Lab, and First Rock Real Estate Investments. 24 stocks closed the session and they sold at the same prices that they started trading today. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.